Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Medical Law e-learning. This is Murza Alim from Shahida Islam Medical College. Today's our topic is carbohydrates. First of all, see its source. Here are 1 SEQ and 4 MCQs from carbohydrates. Starting our chapter, you should know about the definition of carbohydrates and its empirical formula. Now, this one is the HQ function of carbohydrates. All these green underlines are important for this SEQ. Next one is the classification of carbohydrates. It's very important to you. This table is important for SEQs and MCQs purpose. This stereoisomerism is important for SEQ. You should know its formula, how to calculate the number of isomers. Then you should know that the parent compound of carbohydrates is glyceraldehyde. This is important for MCQ. Now this page table 2.2 is very important for UQ point of view. You should know about the type of monosaccharides, their occurrence and biochemical importance. They are important for UQs and MCQs. On the next page, you should know about the DNL isomers for conceptual purpose, optical activity of sugars, and on the next side of page, racemic mixture. You should know about the racemic mixture. You should know about the definition of epimers and the examples, that is lactose and mannose are the epimers of glucose, are important for SEQ's point of view. On the next page, enantiomer, definition of enantiomers is also important, diastereomers is also important, and on this yellow highlighted points are important for MCQ. And anomers, you should know about the definition of anomers for SEQs. And also the definition of mutation is important for SEQ. All these yellow points are important for MCQ, and direction of monosaccharides are very important UQ. You should know about the tautomerization, oxidation, and reduction of monosaccharides. All are the properties of monosaccharides are important. Now this one is very important UQ, that's why alcohols of glucose and galactose cause cataract formation in eye. On the next page, purple compounds. Formation of purple compounds are also important for SEQs. Ozone formations and the type of crystals are also important. Glycosides, you should know about the definition of glycosides and some of the examples. This one. Derivatives of monosaccharides are also important for UQ. And the next topic is disaccharides. Disaccharides are important. You should know about the reducing and non-reducing disaccharides. And all these disaccharides, you should know about the type of bonds and the carbon atom, carbon numbers involved. Sucrose are important for SEQ. And lactose is very important UQ. You should know about the lactose intolerance. This is very important UQ. And now this structure, maltose, sucrose, and lactose are important for UQs in PROC. You should know how to draw these structures. And now next over is polysaccharides, homopolysaccharides. The main difference between amylose and amylopectin is important for UQ. Dextrins, you should know about dextrin and difference between dextrins and dextrans, and the uses of dextrin and dextrans is important for SEQ and UQ. Inulin is MCQ. And on the next page, cellulose is important UQ. That's why cellulose is not digestible in human body. Is very important UQ. Now next our topic is heteropolysaccharides. This is very important UQ, heteropolysaccharides. You should know about their types. This one, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, heparin, rhamnotin sulfate, and all are very important. And this table is very important. You should know about the type of gas, their composition, tissue distribution, and function. All are very important. Agar and pectins are important for SEQ. Now this one, glycoproteins. You should know about the difference between glycoproteins and proteoglycans. Are important for UQ's point of view. Antifreeze glycoprotein, this one is MCQ. Our chapter is end. Hope so you can understand. For better preparation of rope, you can avail services from Medical Cracks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications, MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and supply solved university questions, questions to ace your vivas, chapter polls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ Cracks, encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and the MBBS Cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.